Dear students, in this video we will discuss about class 3 Oxford New Learners Grammar and Composition chapter number 13 Adverbs. Okay, so if you have not watched the previous chapters, so here look at the screen, you can go to the playlist section and also watch. Okay, so here adverbs. So before starting this chapter you should know what is the difference between adjective and adverb. Okay, so here take an example. He is a hard worker. He is a hard worker. Okay, so here you know hard is a describing word. You know describing means adjective that tells more about noun or pronoun in a sentence. So you know here hard tells about he. He is you know pronoun. Okay, so here hard tells more about what type of worker he is. He is a hard worker. That means here we can say that hard is an adjective, or we called it describing word. It describes, it tells more information about the noun or pronoun in a sentence. So this is known as adjective. Clear? Then take another example. He works very hard. Okay, he works very hard. So here in the first sentence you find the same word used here, hard and hard, but in the second sentence it does not tell about the person, that means about the pronoun or noun, rather it tells more about the verb. How does he work? How does he work? He works very hard. Do you know here hard it does not tell about pronoun or noun, it tells about verb. So this is known as adverb. Okay, so adverb means you know the words that tell more about the verb. So here verb you know works. Okay, so here hard tells about works, not the noun or pronoun, it tells about the verb. And there is also another adverb, very. Very is also adverb. Here there are two types of adverb, very and also hard. Very you know degree, adverb degree. Okay, I am very happy today. He is too happy. This is you know adverb degree. Clear? So I think you have got a complete differences between describing word, you know adjective and also adverb. Adjective tells more information about the noun or pronoun, and you know adverb adds or tells more information about the verb. Clear? So here let's start this chapter. Read the pairs of sentences below. In each pair, circle the new words at the end of the second sentences. Okay. I worked on my science project. So first in each pair, circle the new words at the end of the second sentence, right? So I worked on my science project. I worked on my science project promptly. Okay, just you have to add the new word in the second sentence. I completed my science project. I completed my science project yesterday. Here new word is added yesterday. Here new word is added promptly. I submitted my science project. I submitted my science project at the science fair. So here new word you know, new group of words you know at the science fair. Okay. So here in the second sentences in each pair above, new words have been used to tell us how, when and where an action was done. These words you know adverb. Clear? The first here look at this. I worked on my science project promptly. How did you work on your science project? I worked on my science project promptly. That means it tells about how the action was done. How the action was done. Clear? That means it tells about the verb. Okay? The next example, I completed my science project. I completed my science project yesterday. When did you complete your science project? Yesterday. That means you know it tells about when you completed your science project. That means it tells about the time of an action, when the action was done. When the action is done. When the action is done. Okay, you know this is time. Okay, time, adverb time. Then next, I submitted my science project. I submitted my science project at the science fair. Where did you submit your science project? I submitted my science project at the science fair. Do you know? Here it tells where the work was done. Where the work, yes, was done. Clear? So in the first sentence, promptly tells about how the action is done. That means it is adverb of manner. In the second sentence, yesterday tells us when the action is done. That means adverb of time. In the third sentence, at the science fair. That means where the action is done. Yes. That means this is at the science fair. This is adverb of place. Clear? So there are 3 types of adverb in your book. So as the classes go on, you will learn more about the different types of adverb. Okay? So clear? Adverbs add more meanings to the verb. As we have already discussed, adverb tells about more information about the verb. Clear? So here, how did I do my science project promptly? When did I complete it? Yesterday. Where did I submit the project? At the science fair. Clear? So here adverbs adding extra information to the verbs. Adverb of manner tells us how the action is done. Adverb of time tells us when the action is done. Adverbs of place tells us where the action is done. Clear? There are 3 types of adverbs. Adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place. Clear? So here, notice how the use of how, when, where adverbs add to the meaning in the following examples. Okay? So here, the man drove, yes, slowly. How? Yes, slowly. That means to get the answer of adverb, you need to ask the question how to the verb. Okay? Slowly. Here slowly adverb of manner. The next year he ran fast. How? So here fast adverb of manner. It tells about how the action is done. Then next, she finished her work when at 5 o'clock. This is adverb of time. That means when the action was done. At 5 p.m. At 5 o'clock. Then next, the train will come in the evening. When? In the evening. This is adverb of time. Then next year there are 20 boys, yes, in the class. Where? So this is adverb of place. It tells about where the, yes, action is done. That 20 boys in the class. Where? In the class. We planted some trees. Where? In our garden. Here garden. This is adverb of place. Clear? So these expressions, the expressions slowly, as fast, at 5 o'clock, in the evening, in the class, in our garden, tell us something more about an action. Yes, right. Tells more information about the verb, about the action. In other words, these adverbs tell us more about the verbs, right? So we can find the adverbs in the sentences by asking questions like these. Okay, how is or was the action done? This is adverb of manner. Okay, how did he drive? Slowly. At what time does or did the action takes place? That means to know about the timing of an action, you need to ask the question when. This is adverb of time. Okay, this is adverb of manner. Clear? In the evening. This is time. Adverb of time. The next year, where does or did the action take place? Where? That means adverb of place. Okay? At moon theater. Clear? That means when, how, adverb of manner, when, adverb of time, where, adverb of place. Clear? So here the answer to these questions are adverbs, right? Okay, these answer will be called as adverbs. Look at the box below for more adverb. How the action is done. That means fast, well, hard, softly, bravely, slowly, quietly, truly, correctly. Okay. So soft is an adjective. and when we add ly with the adjective we get adverb. Okay, sweetly. Clear? Similarly, true, adjective, when we add ly we get adverb, truly. Correct, adjective, describing word, when we add ly we get adverb, correctly. Clear? Usually adverbs are formed by adding ly with the adjective. Clear? This is, this will be called as adverb manner. How? When, today, yesterday, later, now, soon, early, today, last year, all day, sometimes, never, often, yearly. Okay, as the classes go on you will read sometimes, never, often, they can be used as adverb of frequency. As the classes go on you will learn more about this. Okay, but this can be also used as adverb of time, when. Okay, the next, where, that means where the action is done, up, down, near, far, everywhere, around, here, there, nearby, downstairs, upstairs. These are, adverb place. Clear? Okay, the remaining parts will be discussed in the next video. So I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.